Okay, in this video, I will explain how to perform the one-way ANOVA in PHStat. I use this example. It is example for ANOVA to test whether the price of the certain item in four cities, A, B, C, D. Then you have given data in test whether the average prices are different in the cities at a 5% significance level. There are four number of treatments. Then let's we run the one-way ANOVA. In PHStat, the multiple sample test, when open in the PHStat tab, you can see the multiple sample test. Then now you can select the one-way ANOVA option. Then that's level of significance 5%. It is also recommended level. Then you have to select data range and then click OK. Then you have a message look up Q statistic and enter the value in the P50 cell. Q statistic value, you can find any web Q table, Q statistic table. The 5% significance, level of significance 5, numerator 460. Then 460 value is 4.046. 4.046. Then you have to enter the value 4.046. Then adjust these results. Okay, how can we interpret these results? Firstly, you can find the sheet, ANOVA sheet. Is here the ANOVA table and also summary statistic table. In the summary statistic, we are given each of the group means A, B, C, D. Cities, the highest mean recorded D, city D, the lowest recorded in city A, and also given the each variances. In ANOVA table, the calculated F value is 10.45 and the P value 0.0005. That means less than 0.05. In the p-value approach, we can conclude the calculated p-value is less than the significance level. That means the test is significant. Also, critical value approach, you have given also critical value, F value. The critical value is 5%, critical value is 3.23. That is less than the calculated value. Calculated value is greater than the critical value. That means that ANOVA test is significant. In significant mean at least two pair of cities are significantly different. The prices in the two cities are significantly different, at least. Then, if we want to identify which cities are significantly different, then you can click the Turkey results, Turkey multiple comparisons, where when we observe the Turkey result, we have to fill the Q statistic value. You can search any web browser in Q statistic table. Then select the level of significance 5 table, the numerator 16, numerator 4. That the value should enter the B50 cells, then automatically uh, revise the results. If we are not including the, we remove the value, this, the critical range, all every critical range values indicate 0. When adding the Q statistic values, these are automatically revised. It means then you can see the group A, A, B, C, D, number the group 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can identify the which groups are significantly different. The three groups are significantly different. Which groups? A, B, A, C, and group 1, 4 means A and 4 or A and D. But B and C group are not significant. That means group 2 and group 3, it is the absolute difference is 1, it is not significant. The critical value is 3.89. These are the not significantly different. Let's, I think you have clear idea now how to perform the one-way ANOVA. Then let's we meet the next video. Thank you for everyone.